Hi, I'm Didac. I have an artistic project that it's called Troposfera.xyz. This year we will showing in Mercat de les Flors with a show it's called Circ, that is a climbing route on the Pyrenees in France, where a climber was in the top, the ice route broke and the ice bring them down and he died there. I like the universe of climbing. I think circus have also this thing that what technique you put on the stage and the difficulty of the tricks that you do and the exposition that it can fail or not and where you want to be. So, and Pau always say that he don't want easy routes that are exposed or hard routes that are not exposed. There is a balance, that a route that is hard to climb but also it's a little bit exposed. And I think that it's a good point of view of the circus, that what I want to do on the stage and what's the limit that I can fail or not, and I'm comfortable there or not. We did a show based on this, but it's not with climbing stuff, it's about Diabolo, that is what I do. And we do a passing show during 50 minutes that always we are passing the Diablo, like the rope between the climbers. It's a trio show. We are two climbers, a musician. He's there with the drums and everything. It's like the weather that it's changing and we have to adapt if the weather changes, so we have to adapt to the conditions of the scene. I like the partnership on the climbers, that they go together doing his stuff and they have to be aware about themselves, but they know that someone else is there, and if I fell, I fell with the other. Because also the show is about alpinism, not only climbing. So when you do alpinism, you go attached with another one and you are going alone with yourselves, doing your things, and you have to be there, because if you are with the other, maybe you fell, so they both fell. This project is almost finished, so we need to show it. So we are looking for places to perform. And also with the company, when we go to places, we like to interact with the place, and we do labs and workshops and things about juggling research or artistic research. So we like to travel with the show and doing other things with the other projects that we have. So for now, we are looking to show Circ, and we are looking places when we can perform the show. We like to play not only in theaters, so we can adapt where we play. We want the audience near to us, because if you are very far away, you don't feel the connection between the climbers. And also it's nice if there is a climber on the audience, I always say, now you go there and they see the mountain. And also in meantime or in parallel, we like to do researches and laboratories and residencies with the new project that we are working, that is this generative system that for now I call it generative juggling or ambient juggling, but it's more generative art on the stage. We have lights, sound, coding, juggling and other areas. It's a project that will have different people, and we need to find these people to build the system, like in a modular system. So when we go to play, we know the budget and say, okay, there is this budget, what modules we activate, and we go with these modules, and the project will adapt every place because it will be different spaces and different people. So for me, it's good to have places to meet new people to join the journey.